and want to make an art piece, or you need to make a card for tomorrow's birthday party and you are not that good at drawing and you want to flaunt your art pieces, here I have some keys for you. Our first key is swirl painting. So let's get started. You need a thread this long, water, a waste cloth, some paints, a black pen and drawing sheets. A thread, dip it into the paint. Now place this thread on a drawing sheet. Take another sheet and place it on it. Ink thread and dip it into another color. Again place it in the same manner. Pull. Our swirl is completed. Take any swirl you like. Now let's add some magic to it with a black pen. Isn't it looking like some swirl coming out from a magical chirag? So let's draw it. Second key is spray painting. For this, you will need a paintbrush, a wet toothbrush, a cloth, some water, drawing papers and some colors. First take two papers and place it on a drawing sheet. Now take a toothbrush and put some paint on it. Or you can also dip directly in the paint. Now spray it on the drawing sheet. Now dip it into another color. You can take any colors you want. Our spraying is done, so let's add some magic to it.